Hey everyone, it's Shira Adatto with a South Bay Beach Cities real estate market snapshot for you. If you are new to the channel, hello, and I invite you to subscribe so you can keep up to date on all my real estate updates and South Bay living in general. So everyone has been asking me what is going on with the market. And right now, Southern California has some really positive signs in the housing market. So we have new listings, escrows, and sales that jumped 68% from the previous month, which many are seeing as a really positive sign for the housing market. Now, to qualify this, we were obviously expecting a jump in May, considering April was the height of the quarantine. Pending sales year over year are still way down compared to a year ago in most of the South Bay and beach cities. So some positive news mixed in with a little bit of negative news. Now, new listings are up 28%, which would normally sound really good since our market has such an inventory shortage, but that number is still down 29% from a year ago. And low inventory means more buyers than we have homes on the market, which puts sellers and prices in a very strong position. And I know this is disappointing news for the buyers who are hoping to start seeing major price drops due to the current economy. Now remember, I am just the messenger. I'm not an analyst. I'm not an economist. I don't have a crystal ball. So all of you who are hoping for these big price drops and are going to be disappointed to hear this news, I know I'm going to get some probably hate comments on this video, but just know that I'm here to report what we're seeing in the market, and what we're seeing right now is still a strong seller's market. And in fact, median prices are still up over 3% from last year in many markets. So not seeing big price drops yet. But I'm not saying that we might not see that in the future. We're not seeing it now, and we won't likely see it through summer because of all that pent-up demand that we had during the shutdown, and analysts are predicting a really delayed spring market and a very strong summer. One caveat to that, we do see that sellers are slightly more flexible around terms and negotiating. And I think this is due to all the uncertainty around the pandemic. So even though things are reopening and it's easier to show homes these days, no one really knows if and when a second wave of the virus could shut everything down again. And when a seller is in escrow, they don't want to lose that buyer that they have in hand. So keep that in mind if you're currently in escrow, and you can use that as leverage for your negotiations. So in summary, if you need to buy a home and you've been waiting to see these big price drops, that might not happen anytime soon. And it's always my recommendation not to, try to time the market. You want to buy when it's right for your family. It will always be a good investment. Right now, especially with interest rates as low as they are in the 3s, it really is the best time to lock in that low rate. That could save you thousands more in your payments than waiting for the price drop that might never happen. So in summary, here's what's important to know. Inventory is low, demand is high. So if you're in the market to sell, it would be a really good time to put your home on the market. You can reach me to talk about this by commenting below, or you can send me an email, homesbyshira@gmail.com, or a text at 310-408-4545. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.